Welcome back to the channel. This video will explore the foam versus hardtop question. Our surfer today is Nobu, who is in his 50s. We will show you that you can rip on a foam board. This Hawaiian surfer is going to ride a foamy and shred. We will put a link to his channel in the description. Here we go. Duck diving is easy. On his second wave, he tries a floater. And here are some locals riding hardtops. The next wave was a closeout. Then the dolphins came through. Right past our man, Nobu. The surfers riding hardtops weren't having any better rides. Then this wave came. He almost pulled it off. Please subscribe. We are almost to 1,000.